Rivers shape landscapes, sustain communities, and support millions of lives. But beneath every river lies a hidden story that only science can reveal.
Using spatial analysis, we can identify critical river zones before small changes become major disasters.
Scientific evidence helps governments, researchers, and communities restore rivers through sustainable solutions.
Our live online workshop covers river dynamics, watershed delineation, hydrological data analysis, and fluvial hazard mapping through hands-on learning. You'll learn industry-ready workflows using Whitebox Geospatial, QGIS, MS Excel, and real data sets.
That's exactly what I was looking for.
Seats are filling fast. Scan the QR code and secure your seat today. Hurry up! Explore, analyze, protect.
Rivers connect life.